Hello friends, this video is brought to you by www.moeteaching.com.
Let us read the question. Kamla has a triangular field with sides 240 meters, 200 meters and 360 meters, where she grew wheat. In another triangular field with sides 240 meters, 320 meters and 400 meters, adjacent to the previous field, she wanted to grow potatoes and onions. She divided the field in two parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side to the opposite vertex and grew potatoes in one part and onions in the other part. How much area has been used for wheat, potato and onions? In the question it is given that ABC is the area where wheat is grown. We assume that E is the midpoint of AD and joining E to C will divide the field into two equal parts where potatoes and onions will be grown. So now let us start finding the area of each part one by one. Let us start with triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, all the sides are known. So let us calculate S. We have 200 plus 240 plus 360 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 400 meters. Now let us find the area. By Hero's formula, we have under root of S, that is 400, into S minus A, that is 400 minus 200, S minus B, 400 minus 240, into S minus C, that is 400 minus 360. Let us solve this further. We have 400 into 200 into 160 into 40 meters square, which is equal to, let us solve this further. On factorizing 400, we get 200 into 2, then 200 as it is. 160 can be written as 40 into 4 and 40 as it is meter squares. Now we have groups of 40 and 200. So let us take it out of the root sign. And inside we are left with 2 into 4 meter square. Again from the 4 we can take out 2. We have meter square. So 16,000 root 2 meter square is the area where wheat is grown. To make calculations easy, Let us convert this area in terms of hectares by dividing by 10,000, as 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter squares. So the area becomes 1.6 into root 2 meter hectares. And if we substitute the value of root 2 and multiply, it will be 2.26 hectares approximately, since we are taking only up to 2 digits of decimal. Let us now find the area where the potatoes and the onions will be grown. So consider triangle ADC. We already know that E is the midpoint of AD. That means AE is equal to ED. And for triangle ACD, height will remain same. So this implies that area of triangle AEC will be equal to area of triangle EDC, as they have same base equal to 200 meters and height also same. So instead of taking out the area separately, let us take out the area of triangle ADC. We start with writing that area of triangle ACE is equal to area of triangle ECD, as base for both the triangles is 200 meters and height is also same as that of triangle ACD. So the two areas are same, hence we can also say that area of triangle ACD will give the sum of these two areas. Let us find the area of triangle ACD by Hero's formula. We have S equal to 240 plus 320 plus 400 whole by 2. On solving we get 480 meters. Now area of triangle ACD by Hero's formula is under root of S into S minus A, that will be 480 minus 240, that is 240, S minus B, that is 480 minus 320 is 160, S minus C, 480 minus 400 is 80 meters square. So let us solve this further. This comes out to be 38,400 meters square. Let us convert this area to hectares. So for conversion we have whole divided by 10,000. This is equal to 3.84 hectares. Since we have already explained that area of these two triangles are equal, so that would mean that we can write area of ACE should be half the total area So that is equal to 1.92 hectares. And similarly, area of triangle ECD will also be 1.92 hectares. So we can say that the potatoes area where potatoes and onions are grown is 1.92 hectares. Let us read the question. Students of a school staged a rally for cleanliness campaign. They walked through the lanes in two groups. One group walked through the lane AB, BC and CA, while the other group through AC, CD and DA. Then they cleaned the enclosed areas within their lanes. If AB is 9 cm, BC is 40 cm, CD is 15 cm and DA is 28 cm and angle B is 90 degrees, which group cleaned more area and by how much? Find the total area cleaned by the students. It is very easy to find the area cleaned by the first group, as we can see that ABC is a right triangle and area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, and this comes out to be half into 40 into 9, which is equal to 180 meters square. But to find the area of ACD, we would need AC, which we can find out using the Pythagoras theorem on triangle ABC. So let us calculate the value of AC square, which is equal to 9 square plus 40 square, which is equal to 81 plus 1600. So AC square is equal to 1681, or AC is equal to under root of 1681, that is equal to 41 meters. So now we have AC and we can find the area of triangle ACD. Let us find S. It will be 41 plus 15 plus 28 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 42 meters. Therefore, area of triangle ACD by Hero's formula is under root of S, that is 42, S minus A, 42 minus 41 is 1, S minus B, that is 42 minus 15, that will be 27, and S minus C, 42 minus 28, that is 14, and it is in meter squares. Let us calculate further. We get 42 into 27 into 14, factorize and solve, we get 126 meters square. Clearly, area of triangle ABC is greater than area of triangle ACD, that is 180 meters square is greater than 126 meters square, and hence we come to the conclusion that the first group cleaned more area and the total area cleaned is equal to 180 plus 126 meters squares, that is equal to 306 meters square. Let us read the question. Sanya has a piece of land which is in shape of rhombus. She wants her daughter and one son to work on land and produce different crops. She divided the land in 2 equal parts. If the perimeter of the land is 400 meters, one of the diagonals is 160 meters, how much area each of them will get for their crops? It is given that ABCD is a rhombus whose perimeter is 400 meters. We know that in a rhombus, adjacent sides are equal. So that means if AB is x meters, then AD is also x meters, BC is also x meters, and DC is also x meters. So that means 4x is equal to 400 meters and x is 400 by 4 meters, that is 100 meters each. So each of the side is 100 meter. Now it is very easy to find area of any one triangle ABD or BCD, as the diagonal is dividing it into 2 equal parts. So let us find area of triangle ABD by Hero's formula. So let us calculate semi-perimeter. It will be 100 plus 100 plus 160 whole by 2 meters, that will be 180 meters. So the area will be equal to under root of 180 into 180 minus 100 into 180 minus 100 into 180 minus 160. This amounts to 180 into 80 into 80 into 20 meter squares, that is 4800 meters square. Therefore, each of them, that is daughter and son, each of the kids get an area of 4800 meters squares to work on.